Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to create backup or make a backup for iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to save your backup on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply click on general. So in general you have to simply find the transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. Now what you have to do, you have to go back and click on general again, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage so that you can simply backup. So because iCloud backup is free until 5 GB, though, so you have to make sure that your backup data is enough for the 5 GB. So you have to make sure about that. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, name and Apple ID, and here you have to simply click on iCloud, and here you have to simply make sure that you have turned on the iCloud by backup. So if you turn on, then your iPhone photos and all the details will be turned on. So here you have to simply find what is saved on your iCloud. So here you can simply find iCloud photos are turned on, iCloud drive is on, and even iCloud the mail and all the passwords are same. And moreover, you can simply see that there are notes backup are turned on. So you can simply turn on all the backups here. Or moreover, you can also turn off the backups for any apps you want to turn off. So here you can simply check for the backup and turn all the backup for all the apps and necessary setting like contacts and WhatsApp etc. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.